When Spartan first started its search for the CLM provider on the expedited timeline that we had to roll a platform out, I thought it was going to be an impossible task. We had a lot of uncertainty over exactly how we wanted the system to work, and the IntelAgree team stepped up and gave us everything we needed on a very, very fast timeline to be able to meet the demand of having our replacement CLE program out and running in 35 days.
Obviously for us, we've been super excited to be able to say a CLM platform could go out in 35 days. For a lot of companies, CLM products, it can take a year, 2 years to implement it, but we have an easy, intuitive platform, as well as when that customer is ready to make those decisions, we can help them get up live and running very quickly.
The tools that IntelAgree's given us to be able to expedite that signature process with nothing more than a few clicks has been essential to us to speed up our contract processing.
IntelAgree understands that contracts, they're the backbone of the business. That's how you operate your business. Those are all your legal terms, your compliance, your risk, etc. So we have designed the platform so it's easy and intuitive to use. Overall, in terms of Spartan's implementation and what they're doing now with the platform, it allows them to be more efficient, quicker in terms of with their vendors, their sponsors.
One of the things that's been really unique about our IntelAgree partnership has been the opportunity to lean in with these sort of customization tools in contracts, whether that's renewals or payment terms or anything that they need answered on the fly. The platform's available for them to be able to answer those questions rather than continually circle back to the legal department.
So Spartan provided us with the templates, the contract templates, etc., and we built all of those out for them so that way we took our knowledge base and ensured that we were getting them set up quickly on the product so that they could roll it out.
We're probably saving over 30% of our time on that last stage of the contract. That's typically the easiest part, but the process on the other end when they're receiving the emails, clicking a single link, reviewing the contracts and signing in 2 seconds, all within the platform, it's been gold for us.
For our customers such as Spartan, we've got IntelAgree University. So we have a learning management system to help them ongoing learn the system, manage their system on their own. So we do customized trainings that can be recorded and shared with other people.
We're very, very pleased with the product and the team that we've been provided by IntelAgree.
IntelAgree looks forward to our partnership with Spartan so that they can continue to deliver all of the events and races across the globe.